Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to do an unboxing for March's at the Stationery selection, and I wasn't gonna film an unboxing because there's a lot of really nice unboxing videos out there, but yeah, I thought I would just quickly share with you. I probably won't have time to do like a journal with me, but yeah, let's quickly get into it. So this is for March. Here are the items. Let me quickly explain them to you. So here is the description for March's box. Sometimes I get the question how many items are included in each box, and I can't provide a solid answer. I don't want to say 7 to 9 items, because in this box there's actually only 6, and I don't want to restrict myself to, I guess, limits. In this box there is one, I guess, big ticket item, and it's allowed me to be more flexible that way. So I don't want to say 100% every month there's going to be 7 to 9 items, because from time to time there will be, I guess, more big ticket items in the boxes. So this is this month's box. Here are some flake stickers with their vegetables, and I know a lot of people are confused with this vegetable here. This is a lotus root. It's quite common here in Japan. Actually, back home when I was in Canada, my mom we would eat this as tempura, and yeah, so that is a lotus root. And then I just really like these more, I guess, realistic type of flake stickers, and that's why I kind of gravitated towards these ones. They're really nice. They're not like the cartoony type, but yeah. So here are the flake stickers. This one is a Kokuyo dot liner. I love my dot liner. I actually have one here. It's a mini. It's quite small, or sorry, it's called petite, the petite one. But yeah, I like my dot liner. I use it very frequently, almost daily in my journals. So I thought I would put one in there. This may not be 100%, I mean, it is functional. It acts like a memo pad. My husband, when we were thinking about the pouch, he wanted to include a memo pad that would fit directly into the pouch. And then we found this, and yeah, we thought it was really neat. I've never seen anything like this before. If you can see there, it's perforated into little squares. I believe 5mm squares, 5mm sections. You can see right there. And yeah, I just thought it was really fun, I guess. And if you were to tear off a piece and you have some pieces left, you can stick them in this pocket here. I've seen online where people cut out like certain sections. You know how you have like an address book, or yeah, like an address book where you have the indentations for the letters. So someone has done that on the corner here, and you have like different sections. I think that would take up a lot of time, but yeah, it's really interesting and just something different. I've never really seen this thing before. There are several blog posts from the design team members where they use this tidbit memo pad, so please feel free to check out the blog down below. I'll leave the description down below so you can see how they've used this neat memo pad. So there's that. This one is a Tombow Play Color dot, and I'm selfishly bummed a little bit, because when I decided to put this in the box, it wasn't really readily available online in the big online pen stores, and so I thought, oh, I really want to include this because it's not really available yet. But anyways, it is available now if you check the famous online shops. So the neat thing about this is that it is double-sided. Let me just quickly show you here. It has a dot, like a circle, so it's good for if you're like planning and you need to mark things up. It's good for decorating too. It's really cute. I chose a coral color. I thought it would be different. And the other side is just a fine tip pen. You can see there. So there is the Tombow Play Color dot. And then here is the Zebra Sarasa 3. It has red, blue, and black. I love the Sarasa, I don't know what this is called, the clip. I love the fact that it opens up. It's very, very useful, and yeah, you can't really go wrong with the pen. It's just so smooth. If you're unsure about these red dots, it's just like a protective, I guess, a protective little wax piece that's on the tip. So if you are using it for the first time and you're like, what is this red thing? You can just take it off, and let me show you here. Oops. You can just quickly take that off. See? Okay. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with the Zebra. It's a really smooth write, and it's an all-in-one type of thing. I wanted like a multi-pen to be included with the pouch. So here's the big ticket item. This is the Delfonics utility pouch in the S size, and it has 11 pockets. I'm dying to get into it, but actually my husband has first dibs on it, so yeah, I don't have anything in here. Let me show you the pockets. There's the two out here in the front, and this is the reason why we chose, or my husband thought it would be a good idea to have a memo pad that would fit into one of these pockets, and also I guess like a multi-pen. Like all of these items will fit nicely in your pouch. It's kind of like a to-go type of pouch. Of course, you don't have to put your stationery in here. You can use it as a traveling case for, I don't know, your toiletries or anything like that. It's a nice size, and somebody, I wish I remember the name, somebody posted on Instagram how they even fit their A6 notebook in here, which is so awesome. Right now it has a sponge. So this is the 11 pouches. There's 1, 2, 3. This one you can put in a pen. And there's 4. Nice big one here. 5, 6, 7. This one has Velcro. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's kind of hard to see because it's so dark, but really, really nice. I have the bigger size utility pouch, and I love it so much. I carry a whole bunch of planning and journaling supplies in it. This one, unfortunately, my husband has first dibs on it, so he's going to be using it for his work. But yeah, I really like these smaller pouches as well, like these smaller sections you can put in your clips. I don't know, smaller memo cards and things like that. You can easily clip on things. So that is it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the March box, and like I said, please feel free to check out the blog. I will leave the information down below, and you can see how others from the design team have used their pouches. I hope you enjoyed watching. Just a couple of admin stuff. If you want to just exit out, you can exit out. I know the boxes sell out quickly, and I'm so sorry. I just can't take on anymore, or I'm going to break down. Like, I feel like I'm really sorry that they do sell out quickly, but if I take on too many boxes, I feel like I just can't do anymore. My mother-in-law comes maybe once a month to help out with the boxes, just to pack things up and ship, like helps during the shipping times. But other than that, like it's pretty much myself, and like I mentioned in my other, I guess it was last month, my husband is working more this time of year. I guess it's because of the beginning of the year, end of the year, and it's just tough. So I don't want to take on too much and then kind of sacrifice my family time, or because my family is, I guess, first priority. And I'm sorry, I feel bad. I know they do sell out quickly, and I wish I could, you know, add more restocks and things, but I just don't want to I don't want to wear myself out too much. So I hope you understand. I guess as a reminder, it's the first of the month that I release the next month's box. So for, I guess May is already sold out, unfortunately. So for June's subscription, like if you want to start off with a subscription, the June's box subscription start will open on May the 1st. And I usually open it around May the 1st, around like noon, 1 o'clock Japan Standard Time. So please feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I will post a notification when the boxes are ready for purchase. And I guess that's it. Once again, I'm really, really sorry. I just don't want to spread myself too thin and just have a breakdown or something. I just, I'm really thankful so much that you are here supporting, and I really do appreciate it. I love all the shares on Instagram. You can use the hashtag the stationery selection and tag us as well. But yes, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next month. Thank you. Bye bye.